Welcome everybody to another episode of the Unbox Minute. Today we're going to be looking at a professional color grading monitor called the FlexScan EV2460. So this model is black in color. It's made by manufacturer EIZO, and this one is manufactured in Japan, and as mentioned earlier, it's for professionals and content creation. So let's open up this pretty plain looking box and have a look at the monitor and the kit. First off, we have some documentation, and this looks to be a quick setup guide how to make the connections, etc. Next up, we have some cables. So the first one is a DisplayPort cable, and the second one is a USB hub cable. So this is from the PC to the USB hub, which is on the monitor. Next, we have some screws, and these are for connecting the monitor to the base plate. Next up is a power cable. So this is a standard Euro power cable, but depending on your region, you'll probably get a different one. And next, we see the base plate with a pamphlet on installation. So looking at the pamphlet, it just talks about how to connect this to the monitor arm and monitor. And at the bottom, you can see that it has swivel functionality, also some rubber pads, feet, so that it sticks to the table well. Getting rid of a layer of styrofoam packaging, we can see some more documentation in the kit. First off is a energy information card, and next up is information on recycling as well as contact information for the service centers. Next up, some warranty information, followed by some safety information and some information on recycling. And lastly, the user manual, followed by information on fixing it to a base mount arm. Now that we finally have the monitor out, you can see it's packaged quite well, and the arm is connected to the panel or the screen. Now the arm does have some tilt and swivel functionality, and at the bottom you can see the lower set of I/O ports for the monitor. We will take a more detailed look at this monitor in one of our deep dive videos. Do get subscribed so that you don't miss that, as well as other great content. But for now, hit pause. You can take a look at the quick spec sheet. Hope you're enjoying our content. Don't forget to like and share this with a friend, and see you in the next one.